Hi there, Emmanuel here, and in this video today I'm going to be looking at this swipecoin.im. I'm going to do a swipecoin.im review. I'm just going to take you through what I've learned about it, and you can have a look at it for yourself to see if it's for you, if it's something you yourself want to look at and maybe get involved in. Right, so I'm going to go through all of this, so I personally learned about Swipecoin. Now what Swipecoin is, it's an add-on to the IM Academy. Yeah, they have different sort of sections. They have Forex sections, or they have what they call the DCX section, and that's more now about cryptocurrency. Yeah. Now, me personally, I've been avoiding the cryptocurrency because it just didn't make a lot of sense to me. You hear that there's a lot of these type of altcoins out there, and loads of people telling you, yeah, you buy this kind of coin and you buy and you make millions from it, but just over a couple of weeks or whatever. The big hype about Bitcoin and all that sort of stuff. So all of that sort of stuff just makes me think like, oh, I'm staying away from it. Do you know what I mean? And what most people do, and the only way I thought if I was ever going to trade crypto, I probably would have traded Bitcoin and I would have bought it and held it. But now looking at this, I've discovered so many different ways that you can actually make money using crypto, using the cryptocurrency. There's so many different ways, and I'm only going to go through a couple on here. And if you wanted to get involved in the Swipecoin yourself, you can go and learn all of them if you want to. But you don't need that many to actually become a really profitable trader. What I'm going to also give you access to in a minute is a free group. A completely free group where 5, 6, 7 figure earners are in there, and they're showing you how they use Forex and how they also use, going to start branching into this Swipecoin and start different ways that they can earn from it. But I'll show you how simple this thing is. Firstly, I just want to say that buying and holding coins is not the only way that you can profit from the cryptocurrencies nowadays, especially from Bitcoin. The only ones I really knew about, I'll be honest, I knew about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple. That's all the ones I knew about, and I thought, they're more or less the same. They go the same way. You buy them, you should have bought them back in, 2014, and if you'd helped them on to now, you'd be in a nice little profit. Now, me personally, I thought this is the time to kind of sell it if you've got it, But this has shown me so many different ways. It's shown me that you can trade it. So you can trade what we call leverage. So we can trade the leverage ideas. Yeah. So that's where the ones more well known. So the Bitcoins, not this one. Sorry. This is leverage ideas. I'm going to go to leverage ideas here. So these ones are the more well known ones. Yeah. So the more leveraged coins like Bitcoin, XRP, which is the Ripple, Ethereum, Ethereum. So these are the leveraged ideas. So that's one way we can actually trade this. And I'll show you one of these ideas that they just recently gave today. I'm going to show you ideas that they gave us today. Yeah. The other ways is you can actually do something called staking, which I haven't gone into, but it's where you earn commission on the cryptos. Yeah, there's ways that they can show you set this up to earn commission on the cryptos. And this is a course that that you can go through, that they give you, and you go through all these different strategies that if you're interested in making money that way. So basically you can make money when you're not even in the market as doing this staking. You can also make money from the transaction fees. So like when there's a fee, like the broker almost. Yeah, you earn from liquidity. They show you ways that you can earn from that as well. Other ways, like I said, is the leverage. The other ways is you can earn from exchange ideas. This is what we mean by that, is that there's so many different coins out there. I didn't even know there was so many out there. There's so many what they call altcoins, which are alternative coins. So not the kind of main leveraged ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Ripple, the alternative ones that not a lot of people have heard of. So it's almost like, so this is why it's such the wild west. So some of these coins, they come out and they're gone within 2 days. Like maybe like if you ever traded stocks, a bit like penny shares. If you get the right penny share, you can double your money in a week. But most of them will just rubbish. They were garbage. You know, you buy a penny stock and you lose all your money. Yeah. This is what the alternative coins are a bit like. That's why if you're going to get involved in an alternative coin, you should be getting guidance from some people that have traded for years. And the people giving you these ideas, these alternative exchange ideas, have been in the game for 3 to 5 years. These people are experts in their field. One of them is I think one of the best crypto traders in the world. Yeah, Picasso is his name. And so they give you the ideas. They give you the pair, audio, Man USA, Link. These are small alternative coins that you can create a portfolio from. So now you can buy and hold. These are the ones that you can buy and hold, but you can buy low because they're alternative. They're not as well known. They're not as liquid as things like, say, Bitcoin and all that sort of stuff. Do you know what I mean? So that's another way you can build a portfolio with their ideas here. All right. Then after that, now, if you decide, no, I just want to trade the leverage idea, the more well-known coins, you can do that. And I'm going to go through one of that in a second. And then the final ways is you can scalp. If you've got time to sit on charts all day, they even give you scalping ideas. And I'll show you 2 of the scalping ideas that they gave today. I've traded on both of them today. So this is the ideas. I'll show you where you get them though. They're here. You need to go to there's a scalper you go to over here. It's over here. I'm new to this, so it's over here. So, but where it brings you is here. This is the scalper, and these are the scalp ideas you get. And as an app, you get a ping on your phone to just say, you know, go and have a look at this, and it's all given to you. So this is the 2 I took today. This is the first one that I've just recently took. This one here. So what happens is they give you the buy signal, which is here. There's the line. When the thing closes, when the price closes above that line, you put your planner on there. This thing here. You see, it was a buy. The entry was there, the beginning of this line here. This is the stop loss. It's usually 30. There it is there. And firstly, you go for 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 would be there. So you can see already you'd be taking some, at 1-to-1, you take some profit off the table. Yeah, I usually take 1/3 of the trade off the table. Then I move this to 1-to-2. So then if it does get up to 1-to-2, then I take some more off the table. But some people, they just say 1-to-1, that's enough. Thank you. Close it. I've made some money. But, you know, 1-to-2, I like to see if I can get all the way to 1-to-3, because when I get to 1-to-2, I then move this to break even, so I'm not losing any money. So this is moving quite nicely. So this might even go all the way. And if it gets up to there, then I just move this to 1-to-3. And if it gets to 1-to-3, I'll close everything, close the whole trade off. When it gets to 1-to-2, I'll take a little bit more off. Yeah. So this is earlier on today. This was called earlier today. I got in here. And this one did run all the way down to 1-to-3 there. Close the trade. So in one day, I've had 2 trade ideas, both winners. Now, I'm not saying they're always going to win, but these were handed to me. These are ideas that were handed to me, and they're wins. The wins. Let me show you the wins. Have they got it on here? I mean, I'm just really, really impressed with this. You know, where's the wins? Yeah, the results. Here we go. Before I show you, I finish with the leverage ideas. Here's the results from this. These are recent results. Look at this: 700 pips on Bitcoin, 900 pips on Ripple, a 1-to-4 on Ethereum buy. That's from the scalper. 1-to-2, 1-to-1.5, 1-to-9 on the scalper that I just showed you. So you can see that they're winning. They're regularly winning with this stuff. And then lastly, I want to show you the leverage ideas, which is which was this one earlier, came out on the Bitcoin. So you see, they give you everything here. It tells you about what it is, the potential buy. They even update you on the app to say, like, look, close half your position or take off some of your position. So you don't even need to worry about how do I manage my trade if you're not a seasoned trader and you just think, oh my God, what do I do? You just follow what they tell you to do. Yeah. Here gives you everything. Entry price one was 46200, and I actually drew that up on a chart. So it's here. This was the trade. This is the actual trade. So 4600 is this line here with the beginning of this, the top of this red thing. The stop loss is there. these lines here, this first line is TP1, so that's already been hit. TP2 is there. It's streaming up to TP2. Me personally, if it gets to TP2, I'm going to close all of this off. Or I might leave a little bit running and let it run. But you can see this was handed to me from this scalper thing here, from this IM, swipe IM. So, you know, I'm relatively new to this. All I'm really using this for myself is just to leverage ideas and occasionally the scalper. Because, you know, I don't always have time to sit in front of a chart. But the leverage ideas, you know, you can see that was given early this morning and that's just running now. And if it gets to TP2 there, then that's great. So, you know, for me, I don't think I would have got involved in cryptocurrency unless I knew more about it. And it would have meant me going to go and research this for 3 odd years. Whereas now I've been testing this for a couple of weeks and this is giving me some really, really good results. So it's entirely up to you. If you want to have a look at it, you know, I'll give you access to our group. We have a free trading group that you can come and join us and come and have a look and come and see if it's for you. You know, we talk mainly about Forex, but we also can give you access to this swipe coin, you know. So if that's something you're interested in, then I'll leave links below this. You can click on that. You get completely free access for next week in the training. Yeah, you get completely free training with us for a whole week. So you learn all about this kind of trading and cryptocurrencies and things like that. But for me, I'm really impressed with this. You know, my personal review, I like it so far. I really do like it, you know. So, you know, you can go and do some more research for yourself. But me personally, I really like it. And if you want to learn more from me, then like I said, I'll leave links below this. You can click on that. You get completely free access to our training for next week. All right, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from it. It was a little bit rambled because, you know, I'm new to this as well. So crypto was not a thing I was really going to look into, but now I'm really impressed with this. So that's why I kind of brought it to you guys. You know, so yeah, if you have any comments, any questions at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. If you did get some value from this, then please just consider giving a thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe to the channel as well. And remember to tick on the bell icon so that you regularly, when I put stuff out there, you'll be informed about it. All right. Once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.